We have one question related to division of integers, and that it's a word problem. And the question is that in a test, for every correct answer you will be given plus 5 marks. That is, if you give one correct answer you'll get 5 marks. If you get two correct answers you will get 5 plus 5, that is 10 marks. That is, you'll be awarded 5 marks for every correct answer. Now for an incorrect answer you will be awarded minus 2 marks. Now many students get confused in this statement, that why you would be awarded certain marks for giving an incorrect answer. Well, that simply means that 2 marks or that many marks will be deducted from the marks that you will obtain after giving the right answer. So suppose you gave right answers and you got 20 marks. Suppose, let's assume. And since for one wrong answer you will be awarded minus 2 marks, that means that 2 marks will be deducted. 2 marks will be deducted. 2 marks will be deducted. So if you got 20 marks after giving correct answers, one wrong answer, 2 marks deducted. Therefore your net marks that you will get after this condition will be 20 minus 2, that is 18 marks. If you gave 2 wrong answers, that means that 2 times minus 2 marks will be awarded to you. That means that 4 marks will be deducted. Why? Because for one wrong answer 2 marks will be deducted. Therefore for 2 wrong answers 4 marks will be deducted, and therefore this time your net marks that you'll get will be the marks from the correct answers minus marks from the given marks deducted from the given wrong answers. This will be 16. Okay, so that was a quick explanation of this statement where it says that for incorrect answers minus 2 marks will be awarded. Now take this first question, this first case of this question, and it is that you attempted all questions, only 10 correct answers you gave, and therefore you got 30. You have to, in both these two cases, that is A and B, you have to find how many incorrect answers you gave. A is you attempted all questions, you gave 10 correct answers, okay, but you got 30. That means that surely you would have given some incorrect answers. So first let's take for this one, for the A1, and put it here. So you attempted all questions, only 10 correct answers you gave. Since you gave 10 correct answers and you got 30, it's asking how many incorrect answers you gave. So for one correct answer, you will be awarded 5 marks. Therefore for 10 correct answers you will be awarded 10 times 5 marks. For 1, 5 marks. For 10, 10 times 5 marks, that is 50 marks. Okay. Now for every wrong answer 2 marks will be deducted, right? Here you got 50 marks from your correct answer, and your net answer, the final marks that you got, is 30. Of course 30 is smaller than 50. Now since 30, that the marks that you finally got is smaller than this one, 50, that is the marks that you obtain after giving correct answers, surely you have given some incorrect answers, and therefore some marks have been deducted. Therefore find the marks deducted, the total marks deducted. Total marks deducted. Total marks deducted. And why we are doing this? Because you have to find the incorrect answers that you gave, and you can only find the incorrect answers if you know how many total marks have been deducted from your correct answer marks from the marks that you obtained after giving correct answers. So total marks deducted will be, what will be the total marks deducted? 50, that is the marks you gave after giving correct answers, and 30 minus 30, because this is the final result, final marks that you got in your test because of giving some incorrect answers. So how many marks got deducted actually? That is the marks you obtained from giving correct answers and the final marks that you got. So this will be 20 marks. So if you deduct 20 from 50, you'll get 30. That is 20 marks have been deducted due to giving certain incorrect answers. Now the question is how many incorrect answers you gave. So for 2 marks, 2 marks will be deducted. 2 marks will be deducted for one wrong answer, for one wrong or incorrect answer, whatever, for one incorrect answer. Incorrect answer. 2 marks will be deducted if you gave one incorrect answer. So therefore for 20 marks, how many incorrect answers you gave? So since for 2 marks deducted for giving one incorrect answer, 20 marks will be deducted from 20 divided by 2, right? For 2 marks deducted for giving one incorrect answer, therefore this is the total marks deducted, that is 20 marks deducted. So how many incorrect answers you gave? You gave 20 divided by 2, that is 2 is the marks deducted for one incorrect answer. So this will be 10 incorrect answer. 10 incorrect answer. Now most of the 10 incorrect answers. Okay, so in this case you gave 10 incorrect answers. Now most of the students get confused in this final step, that is why do we divide it? I mean, it's just similar like this case. Focus on this case. For one correct answer you got 5 marks, therefore for 10 correct answer you will get 10 times 5 marks. In this case, for your 2 marks are being deducted for giving one incorrect answer. Your total marks have been the total marks that were deducted were 20 marks. So how many questions you attempted incorrectly? 20 divided by 2, that is 10 incorrect answers. So this is the way to do this. Okay, now the second part. This is the second part, and it is, to see, move to this place, and it is all questions attempted. You attempted all questions, and you attempted all questions. You gave 4 correct answers and you got minus 10. Now when you open your test copy, you are saying that you have got minus 10, not even 0, you got minus 10. So marks obtained after giving 4 correct answers. So for one correct answer, we will proceed in a similar fashion. For one correct answer you'll get 5 marks. Therefore for 4 correct answers you'll get 4 times 5, that is 20 marks, right? If you attempted 4 correct answers, you'll get 4 times 5, that is 20 marks. Now when you open your test copy, you see that you have only minus 10 marks. The net marks that you're getting are minus 10. So this is 20 marks. This is 20 marks. Here you have 0, but you got minus 10. If I have to represent it on a number line, it would be something like this, right? "20 marks after giving correct answers, but your the final result is minus 10 marks. that means you didn't even get 0. You got minus 10 marks. You attempted a lot of incorrect answers, incorrect questions. You gave incorrect answers. So for 20 marks that you got for the correct answers, how many marks got deducted? Deducted marks, total deducted marks. Total deducted marks will be 20 minus, and this is minus 10, right? Because you got minus 10. So this is minus 10. And this will be 20 plus 10. Now you would be thinking that why this is minus 10 here? It's because if you focus here you got 30, right? But that's why we did 50 minus 30. But here you got minus 10. So 20 minus 10. That is, this is the final marks that you got. So 20 plus 10, that is 30 marks have been deducted. 30 marks have been deducted. So if you deduct 30 marks from 20, you will reach to minus 10. Okay. So 30 marks deducted. So for 2 marks for one incorrect answer, right? 2 marks for one incorrect answer. Therefore, for 30 marks, this will be 30 divided by 2, that is 15 incorrect answers. 15 incorrect answers. So this is the answer that you gave 15 in this one, and in this case it was 10 incorrect answers. So what's the way? The way is that first you find out the total marks that you'll get from the correct answers, and then minus, you have to find the marks deducted, and the marks deducted the total marks deducted you will get from subtracting the actual marks that you got from the marks that you will get from the correct answers, and then you can finally get that how many incorrect answers you actually attempted.